Okay, so future me, a few things to tell you. First of all, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps and we really appreciate it. So make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell icon as well so that way you're notified of any new videos. We got some pretty exciting stuff coming up. Also, there's going to be a bunch of exhaust sounds near the end of this video. So we're going to do a launch or two, a couple flybys, a couple takeoffs, you know, soft, medium, so you guys could hear what the exhaust sounds like. So the exhaust is 3-inch pipe straight through, coming from the 3.5-inch downpipe. From then on, it's just straight 3-inch till we get to the Vibrant Muffler, and that's a 3-inch muffler going to 3.5-inch tips. And that's it. That's all that the exhaust is comprised of. So again, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification icon. There we go. Alright, so cold start, but that's the last time our cold start will sound like that. At least I hope so. Hope it sounds different because we got a new Vibrant Muffler, which we're going to unbox right now, that's going onto the car. Currently it has an old Borla muffler that came out of a 3-inch exhaust we had for an A4, so it's kind of just a schmagged exhaust setup right now, and we're going to finish it up, get a nice tip for the back instead of that single ugly 3-inch tip. We're going to go double tip, get that OEM plus look, and hopefully get some better sound. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what we got. So we got Vibrant Performance muffler. It literally does not tell you what model you got. Oh, there it is. All right, so here we have some info. So this says Street Power Universal Muffler. So it's 3-inch in and dual 3.5-inch tips on the other end. This is probably gonna be a pain in the butt to fit in there because it's gonna be a really tight fit for the tips. And also because I think this is longer than the muffler that's in there, and we got a weird bend going on. But we'll figure it out. So let's get into it. Right after we do the unboxing, I'll throw it right on. Hopefully we're gonna go over to the Beard's house and borrow his TIG welder so we can get this TIG welded on. And then hopefully we'll do some sound clips of the car after. Do some light pulls, some heavy pulls. Maybe do a little launch, flybys, some two-step. We'll see what we can get away with around here. Alright, so just stay tuned. Geez, that's really clean. So fully stainless, as you can see, polished. The tips look very, very, very nice. They say Vibrant at the tip, dual wall, 3.5-inch outer diameter, 3-inch inner, I believe, something around there. And you'll see in here we have the 3-inch inlet and then the split inside. This is a straight through design. Hopefully it doesn't make the car too loud. The current one on there is straight through as well, but we'll see. Okay, so we're back from Alessandro's house. We got the welder here, tank and everything back there. So we're all good to weld this thing on, but we still haven't taken it off. So I'm gonna go take that off, bring it out here, and then we'll check it out. Okay, so this is what we're working with the exhaust. So you see we have the rest of the exhaust back here. This would be the direct bottom of the exhaust. And this is the Borla muffler we had on there before. It is a straight through design, so I'm hoping that the sound difference isn't too big. Hoping for a deeper tone, but not a crazy difference. I definitely don't want this car to be any louder than it was. As you can see here too, there was some damage to this already. There's holes in there. So this thing is ancient. I honestly don't know where it came from, I'll be 100% honest with you. It was just on a car and it ended up here, and it fit our single turbo build with some slight modifications, of course. So we're gonna go ahead, chop that off here, weld in the new Vibrant muffler, and just go from there, see how it sounds. Okay, so I think I just figured out a new way to do exhaust cutouts. So instead of doing like, you know, that cutout where you have the, you know, the side thing and it's dumping air out, how about we just make swiveling mufflers? Check this out, look at this. Open. Okay, maybe that won't work. Well, we'll forget about that. this is going to be right before the launches that I'm going to say this, but I definitely bogged second gear in both of them, so don't judge me on that. I accept it, and it'll get better going forwards.